Hey guys, and welcome to the video. Happy New Year. It is December 31st of 2021, the last day of the year, and I'm very excited to share with you guys what I got in my Ipsy regular glam bag for January of 22, as well as the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for January of 2022. So if you want to see what I got in my bags, definitely keep on watching. Give this video a big thumbs up because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, and if you've already clicked on this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so the theme this month is happy vibes. This month and year, make time for the things that make you smile, which is super sweet. So let's go ahead and go through my regular glam bag first, because there's a product in here that when I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, I really wanted to try it. So I was really excited. So let's start with this product. This is the Say Hi to Hydration Hyaluronic Acid Serum from Grace and Stella. Here is what the packaging looks like, and here is the serum. Cute little bottle. Next we have this super cute brush from Hip Dot. Hip Dot is one of those brands that it's like, why are you doing this? And thank you for doing this. They come out with some incredible collections, but then there's some that are questionable, like the Monopoly the Monopoly one. I was just like, what are you doing? That's on my list of like the worst makeup launches of 2021. But anyways, we have this precise brush from Hip Dot. I really like the ombre effect, super cute. And this is a nice concealer brush. It's like cheap feeling though, so that's the only thing that I'm a little sad about. But when I use these brushes, I use them for my eye concealer. So as you can see, this is the one that I'm using from Blinged Brushes. You guys can use my code down below and save 10% off your purchase. But this is like a really good, thick, firm brush, whereas this one's flimsy and you can just tell the quality's not that good. That's just something I wanted to note. Also, let's talk about something real quick. I just recently reviewed the brand new Rare Beauty powder and foundation stick, and I've used these products now 3 times, and I just want to say that they're really good. I'll have the video linked below, as well as links so you can purchase these products or like look at them. But yeah, watch the videos, but this is really good. The bronzer stick, amazing. You guys have to try, as well as the setting powder, like phenomenal. I just wanted to like plug that real quick. Next up we have from First Aid Beauty the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration, which is perfect for this time of year, especially for me. Because even though I've been sweating starting this weekend, we're about to be getting winter weather finally. It's about to get into the 50s. It's been in like the 70s. So that's been really insane for Tennessee, but that's kind of how it goes. But it's usually a little bit cooler right now. But this is great for hydrating the skin during the winter months when your face gets dry and cracky. Let me save my favorite product for last, but this next one is from the brand Ditto. It is an Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara. Here is the packaging. This brand I just got in BoxyCharm, and it's a really cool looking palette that I want to play with. So I guess we're getting these products in Ipsy. And then the last product here is something that I was just geeking over. I was so excited. This is the brand new Benefit Cosmetics Professional Light Primer, ultra lightweight face primer to minimize the look of pores. Let me tell you, I've been using the Hydrate Primer non-stop for a while now, and I wanted to try this because they literally just launched it, and I'm so excited that I get to try this now. I think I'm going to put this in my everyday makeup drawer just so I could like try it, but like this is the one I've been using, the Hydrate Primer, and then here's the light. The sample's really small, but you know, whatever. I'm excited to try that. If you picked that or anything like that, you're gonna be excited. I think that this was a choice item for the regular bag, and I think I might have chose that, so I'm gonna have double, which is gonna be great. Now let's get into the Happy Smiley bag. This one has some really cool products in here that I'm like very intrigued to try. Let's go ahead and open this one up first because it's the biggest, and I saw this and I was like, what is this? It's from Huxley. It's the Secret of Sahara mask, oil and extract. Great things never came from comfort zones. Discover precious and strong vitality. So it's a mask, obviously. It says oil and extract, an innovative dual pouch facial sheet mask that combines cactus extract and hand harvested prickly pear seed oil. It leaves skin soft and glowing, made of soft ultra thin microfiber. That sounds like really interesting, and I do want to give this a try. We have 3 in here, and you can definitely see the oil down here and the masks on top. So I'm gonna have to read the instructions when I use this so I can see how you're supposed to do this, but that is one interesting product. I've never seen a mask with oil as well, so that'll be interesting to try. Another product in here is from the brand Cella, the Dual Liquid Eyeliner. It says Pearl, blue and black, which honestly is the best 2 combinations. I love a blue liner, especially in the lower lash waterline. This is actually super cute packaging. Let me really quick open this up and do some swatches for you. I literally have been trying to get this packaging off for the last 3 minutes, and finally I got a good tug on it, and this reminds me of Slim Jims when you take off the outer coating. So let's just have like a Slim Jim moment real quick. Like, you know what I'm talking about? I used to do this in elementary school with my Slim Jims. You were really cool if you could do that. But anyways, yeah, you definitely have to shake it up. Oh, it's liquid. I didn't even realize that. This is a really pretty, like, old-timey blue color. Okay. Oh, this black has like a bubble on it. Okay. Oh, wow. Wait, this liner is black. These are really pretty. Oh my gosh. I have to use this pronto. Okay, very excited about that product. Another product that came in here is from Galactic. This is actually my very first Galactic, I think, ever having in a bag. I have never had anything Galactic, but I haven't heard like the best things about the brand, so I'm not really sure. But this is something I get to try. This is a cranberry sugar face scrub. So here's the packaging. It sounds yummy. Cranberry. It sounds very wintry, so I'm excited to give this a try. Let's see if it smells. Mine wasn't even shut all the way. Hopefully there's like a seal. Ooh. Wait. Let's get this moment on camera. It looks like jelly. I want to eat this. Oh my gosh. This smells so good. Oh my gosh. Are we like not able to consume this because this looks so good and it smells so good? I think there's actual seeds in here too. Oh man, that smells good. That's going to the shower tonight. Oh my goodness. Excited about that. Okay, we have 2 products left. I'm going to save the one that I'm most intrigued about for last, but here we have a Dew Tube hydrating lip gloss infused with olive and jojoba oils. I think it's jojoba is how you actually pronounce it. Somebody told me. I think it's jojoba. And this is in champagne. Definitely very on point with ringing in the new year. Ooh, wait, this is pretty. Okay, let's give this a swatcheroonie. I don't smell anything on this one. It definitely looks more pink, but it is much more champagne. That's pretty. I would actually love to see that like on an eyeshadow, like a liquid eyeshadow. That would be really cute. But this is a cute gloss. Love that. The last product is something that I've seen this brand and I've always been intrigued to try stuff from it. And now I get to try something. And this is something that I'm like, oh, okay, I would love to try this. Kimchi Stage Proof Matte Setting Spray. Who am I? Here's the packaging. Is super cute. Stage proof matte setting spray. I would hope that this would really keep your makeup in place, because I think she's a drag queen, I think, and it's very important for your makeup to stay on stage, because stage lights, you know, melts off your face, so you have to have it stay in place. Oh, the packaging is so cute. Oh, I love this. Okay, shake well before use. Oh, it has a nice light sit. Okay, I'm very excited about that. So that is everything that I got in both of my January bags. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching. What did you guys choose for this bag? Like I said, I think I chose this. I think that was an option for me. So exciting. And let me know what you guys are going to be choosing for Ipsy Plus. If you guys are seeing this before the second, let me know what you guys are choosing. Go ahead and screenshot all of your choices, and screenshot what you pick, and screenshot what Ipsy picks for you, and send it to me over on Instagram. And I would like to make a video on everyone's different choices and such. But yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Let me know your thoughts and opinions, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.